Okay guys, a quick PSA, your Beta FPV Lite radios could actually work with the Ghost module, so here's how to do it. So, as you can see over here, my channel sliders are pumping up and down when I'm pumping the sticks, and with the switches too. But how did I actually get this to work? First of all, of course, I had to go into the Beta FPV configurator on the computer and set the external module to Crossfire. And the next step is to get Crossfire to work on the module. So of course, as you know, ImmersionRC does have their own Ghost system for their modules, but actually, if you set it to auto mode, it will work perfectly fine. But of course, there is also the manual mode where you can set it manually to Crossfire. But what I found is that when I power it back on, it will actually switch into the Ghost mode by default on manual. So yeah, as you can see over here, it says Crossfire right now. But as soon as I click out of it, it's nearly impossible to get back in there. So auto mode's the only real way to go about doing this. So yeah, of course, there's probably going to be latency issues because the Ghost modulation is a little bit faster from what I remember. But as a casual flyer who only flies kind of putting around the field, I really can't tell the difference between using this on the Crossfire mode versus using any other radio on the Ghost mode. So yeah, I guess that's all. Till next time, folks.